Fala português.
Eu tô perguntando assim porque ele falou no outro dia, né, que a gente vai desenvolver uma avidez de acordo com o tipo de lila que está sendo falado, né, de acordo com a raça. Se for Sakyarasa, né, no humor de vaqueirinho, alguém vai desenvolver essa avidez, ou Vatsalya, ou Madhurya. Eu tô perguntando, mas se alguém já tem esse humor imbuído, né, de Staibhava de Sakyarasa no humor de vaqueirinho, mesmo que seja um devoto muito poderoso, o Mahabhagavata vai descrever Madhurya Lila, então ele não vai ter avidez, né, para Madhurya Rasa.
First to understand Jiva Tattva and Parikar Tattva. Jiva, those who are manifested from marginal potency of Krishna, they are called Jiva Tattva. Those who are Parikar Tattva, eternal associate of Krishna, they are called Parikar Tattva. Mane associate of Krishna. Krishna's Parikar Tattva. So those who are Parikar Tattva, in their heart, automatically in their that types of rasas. Subal, Sridham, Nanda, Jasoda, Gopis, they are Saibhav, Madhur Singha Ras. That will never change. That will never change also. This is the things. The Nitya, they are there. Subal, Sridham, they are Sakharas Bhav, friendship mood with Krishna. And Nanda Jasoda, parental mood. Even anybody to glorify about Madhurya's Katha, they will not interested. This is the thing also. Just give an example. Once Krishna, he was sucking the breast of Mother Jashoda. Mother Jashoda sees nourishment Krishna with her Vatsalya Bhav. This way. In the meantime, the Mother Jashoda, she saw some red spot marks on the forehead of Krishna. Mother Jashoda, she is thinking, this is the red spot mark. That is called Sindur something this. Mother Jashoda, she is thinking, maybe yesterday, evening time, Krishna, he was taking bath in the Jabuna. And that just the red mud of Jabuna. Red mud, understand? Just touched in his forehead. And her maidservant not proper way clean to Krishna's red mud from his body. This is his thinking. She is thinking this way. Actually, this red mud, actually that is what Sindur of the gopis. Then Kundalata, she told to Mother Jashoda, now your Krishna, he is sucking your breast, but he performed Ras dance in last night. Mother Jashoda said, what is the Ras dance? Vatsalya, what is the Ras dance? Ras means is that there are many meanings of rasa. Nitya Geet, dancing, singing, everything, kissing, this is also ras. So Mother Jashoda, this conception is coming, maybe my boy, my baby Krishna, is very restless, chanchal. So for this regard, this mud of Jabuna is coming in this. This is not the coming from the forehead of the gopis. Gopis Sindur not this. She is not thinking this is the gopis forehead. Gopis, they put the, what is called, sindur on their head, and the last night last dance, embracing, kissing with Krishna, that is coming. But Mother Yashoda thinking this is the mud of Jabuna, red mud of Jabuna. So Mother Yashoda, she asked to Kundalata, what is Ras? Mother, that in Kundalata she explained, Ras means embracing Krishna with the gopis. But Mother Yashoda thinking, my son is very baby. So baby, embracing Krishna, others baby. That's the mud. So those who are Vatsala Ras, this is their conception. They never think Krishna is embracing Krishna with the gopis and perform Ras dance. That thing. This is their conception. Because they are Sthai Bhav, Vatsala Bhav. But Krishna is Bhagavan. At a time he manifests many forms. Krishna is staying in the Mother Yashoda in the form of baby. And at a time Krishna is staying with the gopis as like young boy. That thing will discuss in Srimad Bhagavatam. When Krishna came in the arena of Kamsa, then all kinds of rasas of devotees are sitting together. According to their mood, they are looking to Krishna. Srimad Bhagavatam explains this. Those who are Sakharas, they are thinking Krishna is as like their friend. Vatsala Ras, those who are devotees of Vatsala Ras, they are looking Krishna as like small baby. The Srimad Bhagavatam quoted this verse. What the verse? What? No, this is Sakara. This is not. This is when Krishna is sitting on the arena of Kamsa, that time everybody looking to Krishna according to their mood. Same mood, different moods. Sometimes you will be quoting this verse. No. This verse is what? Kamsa is looking. He is as like presiding deity of death. And others king, they are looking, he is very powerful king. Those who are king, they are looking Krishna, he is as like very powerful king. Or Kamsa is looking and just direct the manifestation of death. Mrityu is coming. And gopis, they are looking is completely manifestation of Kamdev. This verse is coming in this. Maybe we will go in temple, I will show this verse in Srimad Bhagavatam. Hey, what is the slope? You forget. Mallanang asani naranang Mallanang asani this slope. This Krishna is one. According to their look, Krishna is one. But those who are Vatsala Ras, they think Krishna is small baby. Are those that devotee of Sakharas, Krishna is thinking, they are thinking Krishna is our friend. Well, how possible? Krishna Achinta Shakti. At a time Krishna, he is staying with Mother Yashoda. That time Krishna's born not more than 5 years or 7 years baby. Or at a time Krishna staying with Mother Yashoda, gopis, they are thinking Krishna as like young boy. As like 13 or 14 years old. This is the thing. Sakhas, they are thinking he is our friend. Gopis, they are looking and is our beloved. And Krishna also manifests this form. You understand? Eh? Because they are Sthai Bhav, according to their Sthai Bhav, those who are Nitya Parikar, eternal associate of Krishna. They are looking according Krishna is, according to the Bhav, they are looking to Krishna. It's beautiful young boy, very healthy, and Sakshat Kamadeva. This thing. Gopis are not looking, Krishna is a small baby. Or Krishna also manifests in front of the vision of the gopis as a very nice, beautiful young boy. This is the thing. Because he is Bhagavan, and he is another potency, Shakti, that is called inconceivable Shakti, that is Achinta Shakti. Because their Sai Bhav is this way. They will never change. Those who are eternally associated to Krishna, Krishna Nitya Parikar, their Bhav will never change. So now, our another Tattva I told, Jiva Tattva. Now Jiva Tattva is your, Jiva also there's potency inside. When Jiva was manifested from Tattva Shakti, marginal potency of Lord, that time one kind of potential inside in there. You have Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem, Sadhya Kabu Noy, Sravanadi Suddha Chitte Kara Uday. Now coming the Jiva Tattva. First I told Parikar Tattva. You understand? Those who are the eternal associate of Krishna. They are looking this way. Mother Yashoda, she does not to Krishna very young boy. Mother Yashoda, she looks Krishna as a small baby, not more than 5 years old, 7 years old. This is the way. And Krishna manifested this way. Or Jiva Tattva, now coming in Jiva Tattva. Jiva is this way. When Jiva is manifested from the marginal potency of Krishna, Krishna Tattva Shakti, and that time Jiva has one that kind of potential have these things. You have, just give an example, one mustard seed. In the mustard seed you cannot see anything. If you crush the mustard seed, you cannot see anything. You can see nothing. But same mustard seed, if you put the water, then sprout it, then plant will come, then flowers, fruits, everything big. Or as like the seed of banyan, what is called? Banyan trees. Have you seen the seed of banyan trees? Bird mixture. Banyan trees, that seed is very small ones. Very small. But same banyan tree, same seed touch the earth and then sprouted and everything inside potential. Then one day big banyan tree will come. Because the potential is there. In the same way, when Jiva manifested from the marginal potency of Lord, that potential is there. And with the association sadhu, Guru, Vaishnava, then that will be where slowly manifest. This is the process. And you have everything. So saying Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem Sadhya Kabhu Noy Sravanadi Suddha Chitte Karaha Uday. When you listen Hari Katha, then your Shraddha, Sadhusanga, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Vritti, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, then Bhav and Prema Dasha. In the Prema Dasha, then that the seed of your Prem, that is called completely manifest. When so in this way he is developing. But here Bhaktivinoda Thakur Jaiva Dharma explain sadhaka. And first they practice Dasaras, then Dasaras develop coming in Sakharas, then develop Vatsalaras, then coming Madhuryaras. Until Jivas attain to Sthai Bhav, that time will be changing. Sthai Bhav is a fixed mood. That means according to the potential, that mood will coming, that will never change. This is the process. Or before coming jivas, here always remember this, I am talking about jiva tattva, not parikar tattva. Already before I talked parikar tattva. Now I am speaking about jiva tattva. Jo jiva is manifested from the marginal potency of Lord. Then slowly the that seed which you have already, that will be sprout. What is called? No, manifest slowly. But when you come in the stage of asakti or bhava dasha, then you can realize your own transcendental constitutional form. This is the process. And that will be never change. Before coming to bhav dasha, sthayi bhav, that sometimes changing. Actually, your that potential not changing, that's your mood changing. Sometimes you thinking, I want to serve to Krishna, that's the bhav. Sometimes you are thinking, I serve to Krishna, sakha bhav. What katha you are listening, automatically your these types of mood coming. And actually that is called, that mood is called Satcharati. Jaiva Dharma, Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained. Satcharati means which is not fixed coming. And you have, but it is not manifest. That is called Satcharati. When you listen the Vatsalya Katha, then greed is coming. What greed coming? I serve to Krishna under guidance of Mother Jashoda. The greed is coming. But that greed, that is not actual fixed. When you simultaneously, the next day you listen Raslila Katha, Gopis Katha, then you think, oh, I serve to Krishna under guidance of Braj Gopis, Madhurya Ras. So in this way, that rati is what? Not fixed. But when you come in the stage of bhav dasha, and bhav dasha means sthayi bhav, fixed, that will never change. This is the place. So with the association of sadhu, that will manifest. And that when you come in the sthayi bhav, that will not change. They give an example, the lila of Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad. Prabodhananda, who wrote Radha Rasudhanidhi. Prabodhananda and Venkat Bhatta and Trimalla Bhatta, the families of Gopal Bhatta Goswami. Mahaprabhu was staying in their house. How many months? 4 months, Chaturmas. First they worship Lakshmi Narayan because they belongs to Sri Sampradaya. They are thinking Lakshmi Narayan is the topmost. They worship Lakshmi Narayan. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu discuss about Madhurya Ras Katha, Raslila Katha, every day glorified. And that time they very attracted with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because Raslila Katha is very sweet. Who does not want to listen Raslila Katha? Everybody wants. So one day Chaitanya Mahaprabhu just joked with them, because so much friendship with them, because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was staying 4 months with them. One day Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, listen, you worship Lakshmi Narayan, Lakshmi Devi. Or my Ishtadev, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, my Ishtadev, Krishna, Radha Krishna. So Mahaprabhu joked, listen, your Lakshmi Devi, she is not chess lady. Then his mind is start to spinning. Why not? My Lakshmi Devi, she is completely one pointed with her husband Narayan. Then Mahaprabhu told, look, in the Srimad Bhagavad also other granthas very clearly explained. Once Narad Rishi glorified to Krishna's Raslila with the gopis. Then Lakshmi Devi, she eager and greed. Oh, anyhow I have to enter in Raj dance. Then she asked to Narad Rishi, how will I enter in Raj dance? Narad Rishi told, you can do perform hard austerities in Vrindavan. So Lakshmi Devi, she came in Vrindavan, other side of the bank of Jamuna, Belvan, she performed hard austerities. Then Krishna appeared. Krishna asked Lakshmi, what do you want? I want to enter your Raj dance as like Gopi. Then Krishna told, if you want to enter my Raj dance as like Gopi, so some condition. Some condition. What is the condition? First to give up your Lakshmi, Brahmani Abhiman. Abhimanang Paritajjang Prakita Vapuradisu. Very clearly explain this verse. Krishna told, first you give up your this false ego. What is the false ego? I am Brahmani. Lakshmi Devi is thinking I am Brahmani. Give up the Brahmani Abhiman. Then Lakshmi Devi, how possible to give up my Brahmani? I am Brahmani. I am the wife of Narayan. Narayan is my husband. So Narayan is also Brahman Tattva. According to Lok Leela. So he said, how possible I give up my Brahmani Abhiman? Then Krishna told, not only this, listen or more. You have to take bath in Braj. What is Braj? I am staying in Vaikuntha. Lot of opulence. Braj completely full of dust. Well, no, I will not take bath in Braj. Not only this, Krishna told, and you have to take gopi form. And also associate the gopis. And another, you also married with another gop. Then Lakshmi Devi, we marry another gop? Gopars? No. My husband is one, Narayan. Krishna, not this. Listen, in Parakya, hidden way, you can meet with me, then you will qualify to enter in my Raj dance. Parakya bhav. What is no, not possible. So Krishna told, hey, Lakshmi, you cannot enter in my Raj dance. Still Lakshmi Devi, she is performing hard austerities in Belvan. She did not enter in Raj dance. So Mahaprabhu told this katha. Lakshmi Devi, she did not attend Raj dance. Or Krishna and gopis, they perform Raj dance. Mahaprabhu asked, tell to me, why Lakshmi, she did not enter Raj dance? Then his head started to spinning. Because Srimad Bhagavad giving very clearly, Kasanu aswa deva vidme tavang renu prasadhikara. See, Lorana charuttapa vyahaya. This verse is very good. That is called Nagpatni Stuti. Kasanu aswa deva vidme tavang renu prasadhikara. Sri Lorana charuttapa. Sriman Lakshmi Devi. She performed hard austerities in Vrindavan, but she did not enter Raj dance. Then he told also, what is his name? Prabhadananda Saraswati Pad, he told, why criticize to our Ishtadev, Lakshmi Devi? Because Lakshmi Devi, she did not lose her chastity. Why? Because there are no difference Krishna and Narayan. According to the conception of the scriptures, there are no difference Krishna and Narayan. What is the difference? Siddhantas tattva vedesu opi. According to the conception of the scriptures, there are no difference Krishna and Narayan. Same tattva. But rasanotkushate rasameva sthiti. But when ras vichar, Krishna is higher. This is the same. So in this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu established Krishna has 4 extraordinary qualifications. Everybody attractive. But according to their rasa, they can accept. Lakshmi Devi, she did not be. Lakshmi Devi, she did not attain to Madhurya Rasa because her fixed rasa is what? Sthai Bhav, Vaikuntha, Dasya Bhav. So in the same way, those jivas have one rasa is there. Here very clearly explained, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu glorified Raslila Kadadim. That time they give up the worship to Lakshmi Narayan, they worship Radha and Krishna. So maybe a question will come, why they worship first Lakshmi Narayan. Here this Leela, jivas, when the not get the high class association of Madhurya Rasa, that time they cannot compare what is good, what is the lower rasa and what is the higher rasa. But here they want to, if the jivas has that potential Madhurya Rasa, then automatically he give up the lower rasa and coming to our higher rasa. And if the jiva is not that potential Madhurya Rasa, he cannot interested with Madhurya Rasa. Understand? This is the things also. This is the thing. You have everything. Give an example. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he traveled, one Brahman, he worshipped and here is called Ram Sita. And Mahaprabhu also glorified about Krishna, but he did not change because his Sthai Bhav. One who attains his Sthai Bhav, that will not change. Understand? This is the process. And before coming to Sthai Bhav, then changing. That will go, I worship Lakshmi Narayan, I worship Nishingadev, I worship different religions. But when you come in the stage of Sthai Bhav, that will not change. You understand? This is the process of. So, Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem Sadhya Kabunai Sarvanadi Suddha Chitte Karha Udai. Uddhav, he has greed or not? What greed? Yeah, I want to become the medicine of Srimati Radhika. Asamoho Charno Renu Jusamoho Sam Brindavane Kimapi Gulmalatu Sidana Ja Duschandra Sajano Arja Pathancha Hitwa Bhejur Mukunda Padavi Sruti Vigdam. Uddhav hankering how to receive the want the sprinkle mood of Srimati Radhika, but he did not get. Why? Because his Sthai Bhav, Mathura or Dwarakas potential. This is the process. There are many also this, not only one this. Pandavas, Arjun, what is called? Krishna many times glorified about gopis in front of Arjuna. Then Pandavas, they have so much greed coming. I want to become this medicine of Srimati Radhika. But for this regard, they perform hard austerities on the bank of Radha Kunda and in the form of trees. This Katha I will also explain. But they are not changed. Not possible. If you have these things, that will never changeable. Or before coming the Sthai Bhav, then changeable. Sometimes Dasya, sometimes Sakha, sometimes Vatsalya, sometimes Madhurya. But when sadhu will come in the stage of Sthai Bhav, understand? Sthai Bhav coming in the stage of after Asakti, then Rati, then Bhav. That time Sthai Bhav coming. And that time you realize your own transcendental constitutional form, Siddha Deva. This is the process. You have everything. But with the association of sadhu, guru, that will manifest. Did that. Understand or not? No one can change your that potential. Even Krishna will not change. Bhagavan will not change. What will change? You have everything. That with the association of sadhu, guru, that will manifest. Shuddha satta, visayatma, prema, sujjang sambhavako, ruchi vi chitta smarchana, kridaso, bhavocha. Some Babaji Sampradayas, they explain wrong way. They think jaise song, jaise wrong. According to association, you will get this is not true. You have already. So saying Chaitanya Charitamrita, this verse very clearly explained. Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem Sadha Kobhu Noy. Sadha according to your sadhan you cannot get. You have already. Sravanadi Suddha Chitte Karaha Uday. Uday means what? Manifest. Sun rises, that is Surya Uday. Sun actually is always sun. What is it called? Sun always is present. Just according to our vision, sometimes looking or sometimes not looking, visible and invisible. In the same way, in the heart of the jivas, that potential you have. This is our Siddhanta. That will never change. So Jiva Goswami Pad gives another example. If you planted the seed, 5 types of seed, mango seed, Karela seed, bitter melon seed, Karela seed. 5 types of seed you can plant it on the bank of river. Same water, same rays of the sun, everything there. But from mango seed, what will get? Mango. You understand or not? If you planted the mango seed on the bank of Jabuna river, then small plant will come, then one day big tree, mango tree. Mango tree what will get? Karela? No. Or if you planted the Karela seed, you will get mango? No. So, very clearly explained this. Why I am saying? Because Jiva Goswami, our Shastra very clearly explained, Jiva gotten when Jiva manifested from Tapsa Shakti, that potential you have. Only this thing. With the association sadhu, that will mature and manifest. This is the sadhu sangha means is to which your potential inside, and with Harikatha, slowly, that will manifest. First is greed coming. But that greed is called, before coming in the stage of Bhava Dasa, that greed is called Satcharati. Satcha means is what? Flickery, sometimes this. What katha you listening, that greed is coming. Understand? This is the place. But when you come this Shraddha, Sadhusanga, Bhajana Krida, Ananta, Nishta, Ruchi, Asakti, Bhav. In Bhav is also many stages. When you come in the stage of Sthai Bhav, that will not change. This is the process. You understand? So another example has given the water of the Sattik Nakatra, dropped in the different place, but that different manifest. Same water of Sattik Nakatra,
Special constellation. The rain comes from a special constellation.
Special constellation. But dropping on the head of elephant, that is called Gajamukta. Same Satyanikata water dropping on the head of snake, that is called Sarpamani, Sarpamani answer. The jewels of snake. Gajamukta, Sarpamani, same thing, but different thing. Same water of the Satyanikata dropping in the mouth of oyster. Oyster, understand? Then manifest Parus. Look this. According to their Adhar, adharnishan, they will get. You have everything also. This is the process also. You have. You don't think you have nothing. Some Babaji Sampradayas, they cannot understand these things. They are thinking, okay, you associate Madhurya Ras, they will Madhurya Ras coming. Actually, they completely what? Wrong philosophy. Narad Rishi. Narad Rishi, he gave same mantra to Dhruva Maharaj. He gave same mantra to Prahlad Maharaj. He gave same mantra to everybody. And he gave same association. Dhruva, he will not become Gopi. Gopi mood will come Dhruva. Prahlad Maharaj, he became Gopi or not? No. Try to understand this. Even Pandavas, Narad Rishi, he gave association with Pandavas. And greed coming, just I told, but not possible. So this is the conclusion is that you have everything. Just with the association sadhu, that will manifest. You have. One verse very clearly understand, Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem Sadha Kobhu Noy. Sarvanadi Suddha Chitte Kara Uday. Uday means manifest. You have. This is the thing. According to your potential, with the association sadhu, manifest. What is it?
But if you're, for example, your Swarup is Dasaras, you can hear Madhurya Das and also feel attracted. This Sacharat is like not deep, nothing really, it's just mind, sentiment.
No, everybody can listen Katha. But when you come in the Sthai Bhav, that will not change. That mood will not change.
I know, but my question is Swacharati. You can have
What is the meaning of Sacharati? First understand what is the meaning of Sacharati. Sacha means which is not fixed. Which you are listen, you absorb. Let just give an example. Sometimes baby taking the small, what is it? Doll. Doll. And thinking this is my baby. Acting the role as like her mother. Then sometimes she also, baby also kicked out. Sometimes baby taking that the doll and acting the role of as like her mother. Think, oh, this is my baby. That you do this. Then after some time you are kicked out. This is not her Vatsal have nothing, not motherhood mood. Just she is also what is called imitating. Imitating her mother. Looks at this. In the same way, Sacharati means this. But with the more Harikatha, listen, then your greed will come. Then that is what? What greed? According your potential, that greed will come. Then you understand. Otherwise not. 1,000 times I will speak, 1,000 times you listen, you may not understand. How you understand? Nayangatma prachanda labbo no medaya no bahuna shrutena jame varishe vidunte te no labbo tasaisa atma vibrunte tanusha. When Lord merciful manifest in your heart, then you understand. Now just listening. This is the process. Because Srimad Bhagavad is very clearly, who does not want to listen Krishna Katha? Everybody want to. Nibrita tarsai upagiyamanat bhavu sada stotra mano virama kauttama sloka gunanubadat pumana virajit bina pasugnat. Who does not want to listen Krishna Katha? Only butcher. They are killing the animals because they are very hard-hearted. Even the Advaitavadi impartialist, even they listen to Krishna Katha, they will give up the conception to merge in Brahma. Krishna Katha is very powerful. Even those who are suffering three folds of Maya, even the Krishna Katha, they will forget everything. Absorbed in Krishna Katha. Krishna Katha is very powerful. Krishna Katha is very powerful, attractive. You will forget everything. You forget or not? All you forget. So all you are running here and they are coming. Why you are coming here? Why have you come? Tell to me. Because anytime you have some greed. So I have to listen Krishna Katha. So for this regard you have come. Other people, they are going to enjoy the sense gratification. Going to pub, going to where? Bar, drinking alcohol, ganja, bhang. So why you are coming here? We are not giving here ganja, bhangs to be nonsense rascal. Here what we are giving? Hari Katha. Tava Kathamritam Jivanam Kavi Viriditam Kalmasahapaham Sravana Mangalam Srimadattatam Bhuvi Grinnanti Te Bhurida Jana. Actually we have come here for Krishna Katha. Because Krishna Katha is very attractive. For this regard we are. Those who have no interest Krishna Katha, they are running here and there. That is called sightseeing. You know sightseeing? Follow sightseeing. What is the meaning of sightseeing? Looking here and there. Oh, rain coming. Chalo.
Jai Shri Gurudeva ki jai.
What's that?